We're back, and this is episode 2 from our little slimes, and now we're going to do big slimes. If you haven't watched our episode 1 on mystery slimes, then this is mystery 2 of epic slimes. And now we're doing the big ones. So he is gonna go first, close
This one's
up.
kind of.
So he's gonna show him close up. Let me scoot that up there. And get the first one. We're gonna have to make this fast because my camera's like messing up or something. That's why we're gonna do the big ones and small ones in the same video, but my camera just paused at the right time but I didn't say bye guys and all that. And yeah, I'm making probably gonna try to make some more slimes.
This one's
Today
kind
or
of stretchy. Mine's
Show it
kind of.
close up. But yeah, my camera's been messing up. I might make some more slimes today.
Yeah,
Today, if we go to
enough.
the store, and get some glue.
Next one.
Okay, so I'm gonna go fast. So yeah, I'm going to the next line. Okay, so this one, the next one.
I don't think I can get. Oh yeah, let get it out.
And there's mine. Show it close up. He's kind of new at the recording stuff, so he doesn't really know though. But yeah, next slime. This one's really jiggly. I like that one.
I like
And
this one.
This one? Oh, yeah, this one. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. Just close.
Wait, I have 9. Because 2 and 9.
I have 2 more slimes. I'll show you. Okay, so
And
stretcher.
No, I got 10 slimes.
I don't know how many.
I'll be right back.
Okay, he'll be right back. Okay, but I'll show you his slime. Let me put my slime up and I'll show you his slime. His room's like right next to mine, so you just know. But if I get any slime on my carpet, then I'm gonna be in trouble. So yeah, this is his slime close up. This is a slime smoothie. It's from a slime smoothie. So yeah, it's a pretty good slime.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do this slime. Oh,
Next slime is
this one's like really crunchy. Really crunchy.
This other one is the same.
Yeah, it was
we
like
got
a big batch, so we had to put it in 2 containers. So
Yeah. See,
this
It's
one
the
ain't
same.
really stretchy because like I overactivated it.
because this one's really stretchy.
And so I'm going to the next one because it
I only get 2
this
more.
one,
No.
This one hurts my nails and it really sucks.
I have to get that off later.
Okay, the next slime. I saved the next slime my favorite slime.
I only have 2 more slimes. I got 10 slimes.
It was made out of clear glue, but I added too much food coloring, so it can't really turn clear anymore. So, oh, look at that swirl.
Shelby, you have 1 more and I have 2.
No, that one is, I already done that one.
So you get 1 more?
No, I don't have any more. This is my last one.
I got 2 more.
Oh, they're the same thing then.
I know.
show it close up. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to go in a few minutes.
That looks like white, but it's actually green.
Okay, now show the orange one.
Just like playing with these.
I love this one so much. So amazing. Okay, but I love you guys. See you later. Don't forget to like this video. Smash that like button. Smash it. And don't forget to comment. Hashtag slime fam. Hashtag slime fam. And we'll get back to y'all probably tomorrow. Or actually when I upload this video probably today. And if we go to the store in a little bit and get some more slime making stuff, then yeah, then we can do all of this stuff for y'all guys. So please go smash that like button, comment, hashtag slime fam, and I will be actually picking someone shout outs. I'm going to be doing shout outs, so don't forget to, you have to like this video, comment, hashtag slime fam, you can do slime family or slime fam, and peace, yo.